names down the way, and I kick motherfucking asses like you every day, Mr. Stagger. Those were the last words that the barkeep said, 'cause Stag put 4 holes in his motherfucking head.
Oh, боже.
Just an income abroad called Nelly Brown. Don't you make more money than any bitch in town? She walks across the bar, hitching up her skirts over the straggly man. She starts to flirt. She's got for the great Stagger. She sees the barkeep saying, oh God, he can't be dead. Stag says, well, just cut the holes in the motherfucker's head. Says Stagger. She said, it don't look like you scored in quite a time. When it comes to my pen, it won't cost you a dime. Mr. Stagger. Oh, Mr. Stagger. Gonna see it right here till time comes to pass. And furthermore, I'll fuck Billy Dilly in his motherfucking ass. Says Stagger. Cause I'm a bad motherfucker, don't you know? And I'll crawl over 50 good pussies just to get to one fat boy's asshole. Says Stagger.
Oh my God.
Just that income, Billy Dilly said you must be the bad motherfucker called Stagger. I'm Mr. Stagger. Mr. Stagger, you better get down on your knees and suck my dick. Suck my dick! So Billy Dilly kneels down and slobbers on his head. Stag fills him full of lead. Well, in come the devil. Said I come to take you down, Mr. Stagger. Then in come the devil. Said I come to take you down, Mr. Stagger. Well, in come the devil. He had a pitch. Well, in come the devil. Said I come to take you down, Mr. Stagger. Well, those were the last words that the devil said, 'cause Stagger for homes is motherfucking